everybody, I'm Jennifer Baker, and today I'm going to be mixing up Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint in the color Ironstone. So to start, I have a couple of supplies. Obviously my Ironstone milk paint, which I've already pre-measured into a 1/2 cup measuring cup, a cup to mix in, MilkMix-EZ, warm water, and a latte frother or a hand mixer. The first step is to go ahead and add your powder into your cup. And this is roughly 1/2 of a cup. I didn't measure it exactly. And to that, I'm going to add the same amount of lukewarm water. And this is just water from my tap. I'm gonna grab my hand mixer, put it down inside, and start mixing. Using a hand mixer makes it a little bit easier to mix your milk paint because it does a lot of the work for you. But as I'm mixing, I'm sure that you're noticing that I'm getting some bubbles. MilkMix-EZ will help break those bubbles down. So let's add a couple drops of those. And I'm just gonna add 1 or 2 drops. A little goes a long way with this product. And let's get back to mixing. And one of the great things about using MilkMix-EZ is that no matter how much you mix your milk paint, it will never get bubbles in it. So let's let this get all incorporated. One thing I like to do is kind of pulse it. Make sure you get all the way around the sides. And even though I may be getting bubbles on the surface, they don't stay. They're going to pop. There they go. Now what I'm gonna do after I've mixed this for a couple minutes is to let it sit and thicken up. So I'm gonna let mine sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. Now that my milk paint has finished sitting for about 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and give it another stir and just check the consistency and make sure that everything is all incorporated. And what you're gonna find with the new formula of Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint is that it blends together very, very easily. It's very smooth and it doesn't have the lumps and the clumps that the old formula used to have.